Reliance Industries posted a net increase of 41.58% to 18549 crore in the third quarter. Robust performance across businesses, including telecom, retail and improvement in oil refining margins catapulted Reliance Industries' consolidated net profit by 41.58% at 18,549 Indian rupees crore for the third quarter compared to a net profit of 13,101 Indian rupees crore in the corresponding period year ago. The oil to telecom giant led by Mukesh Ambani reported a 54.25% growth in consolidated revenue at 191,271 rupees crore during the third quarter from 123,997 Indian rupees crore last year. Both our consumer businesses, retail and digital services have recorded highest ever revenues and EBITDA. During this quarter, we continued to focus on strategic investments and partnerships across our businesses to drive future growth, Mukesh Ambani, Chairman and Managing Director, Reliance Industries Limited, said. Retail business activity has normalized with strong growth in key consumption baskets on the back of festive season and as lockdowns eased across the country. Our digital services business has delivered broad-based, sustainable, and profitable growth through improved customer engagement and subscriber mix, he said. The recovery in global oil and energy markets supported strong fuel margins and helped our O2C business deliver robust earnings. Our oil and gas segment delivered strong growth in EBITDA with volume growth and improved realization, Ambani added. The O2C business revenues rose 56.76% to 131,427 Indian rupees crore for the December quarter. Record revenues for retail. Reliance Retail has delivered a landmark quarter with all-time high EBITDA and revenues. Reliance Retail clocked a gross revenue for the quarter was 57,714 rupees crore, higher by 52.5% year-on-year. The company's net profit for the quarter was 2,259 Indian rupees crore, higher by 23.4%. All-time high revenues were recorded across all consumption baskets, driven by highest ever store sales and sustained growth momentum in digital new commerce. Consumer electronics footwear doubled their business on the back of strong festive sales, while grocery sustained its consistent and strong double-digit growth momentum, the company said. Digital PAT up 9%. The digital business Jio Platforms has reported an 8.9% growth in net profit to 3,795 rupees crore during the third quarter compared to 3,486 rupees crore in the same period last year. Gross revenue for the quarter was 24,176 Indian rupees crores, higher by 13.8%. The total customer base was up by 10.2 million at 421 million. Average revenue per user during the quarter was up by 8.4% at 151.6 Indian rupees per subscriber per month. Jio undertook a 20% hike across prepaid plans effective December 1. The full impact of the tariff hike will be reflected in ARPU and financials over the next few quarters. Total data traffic was 23.4 billion gigabytes during the quarter, which is 47.8% higher growth compared to last year. The company said that 5G coverage planning has been completed for 1,000 top cities across the country. Jio has been doing trials on advanced use cases across healthcare and industrial automation on its 5G network.